Hello and welcome to Mercury Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about our brand new direct parse feature. This direct parse feature works for both of our supported parsing platforms, and what this allows you to do is, instead of having to email over any CV, it means you can parse directly from within the CRM. So let's go ahead and show you a demonstration. Now I'm in the CRM here. There's going to be two ways to upload a CV. One is to upload and the second one is to update an existing candidate. So to upload a brand new CV, just from the contacts view, all you need to do is click upload CV at the top. Now you can drag and drop from your file explorer, otherwise you can click choose file here, select a file and then upload CV. Now if you do want to wait for the results, you can select parse and wait, which will keep you here until that's all done. The second way to do this is actually to update an existing candidate in the system. So from that, I've got Jack. I'm going to go to the top bar and we've got an option for update by parse. Now it's going to take you to a familiar screen here where again you can choose a file, and you do also have the parse and wait option. Now once that's been processed, if you do parse and wait, it will take you through to any next screen, including the candidate profile or the review stage depending. If you don't click parse and wait, you're going to get in-app notifications to tell you how that's going. So if it's been successful, you'll get an in-app notification to say it's been successful. If it's been held in review, you're going to get a notification to say that as well. Once you've selected the notification to review, you'll be brought onto a screen like this. This is our review section for the direct parse feature. What you're going to see on the left hand side is all the information that the parser can grab from the CV, including work history, education and skills, and then on the right hand side you're going to see the contacts that you're looking to link it to. Now in this case we haven't got a contact, but it would just be the case of clicking into the box here, typing in the name that you'd like to link it to, selecting the correct profile, and once you're happy, you just select Save to Candidate on the top. That's going to link all that parsed information to your selected candidate, and you're all good to go. Now that's it for the process of this feature. If it is something you'd like to start looking at turning on, please do reach out to your customer success manager, and they'll be able to get this arranged after the version 31 release.